we're looking at a Brass Eagle out of Walmart. It's a pump gun, and it sells for about 20 bucks. I think I paid 20 bucks at Walmart. I went in and I was like, you know what? Let me buy a pump gun from Walmart and see what the big deal is. Now this comes with 2 little cylinders right here of CO2, a hopper with paint inside of it already. I don't know how long that's been sitting there, but you can go ask Brass Eagle / JT and ask them how long they leave their paint in there for. And then just the gun. So I'm gonna open it up right now. Wow, this thing feels like crap. It feels like a toy. Well, you know, it's a toy, but it feels like a really not well-made gun. But it's 20 bucks, so what do you expect, you know? But here goes. Safety is on. Little pump action. All right, let me put this stuff together and see what the deal is. It's a little barrel plug, so that's pretty cool. That leaves in right there. Whoop. Put them in there. Ooh, I just heard the heard the puncture. Has paint inside already. I don't know how long it's been there. Wow, these things are rock hard. Wow. Put them up. These things are rock hard. This cannot be safe. Squeezing it. Nah, I'm a pretty strong guy and I can't squeeze that. Put it in right there. There we go. Woo! It broke. Nice. I like that. Did you see that? There it goes, right there. It's not bad. Let's check over here. Woo! Broke. Not bad. It's, you know, it's a $20 gun, man. What are you gonna do? But it's not bad, you know. The paint's breaking, so it ain't that bad. I'm kind of close, probably 10 feet away, so let me try from a little bit farther. It's pretty smooth, you know. $20 gun. It's a beginner gun. Let me put that safety back on. It's a beginner gun. I'd have to say below entry level. This is what most of the people buy, I guess, when they go to Walmart. 20 bucks. You can't really beat that price, you know. I don't really know what else to say about this gun besides it's a cheap gun. You know, 20 bucks gets the job done. That was a Brass Eagle. It's a plastic gun. It's it's really cheap, but it gets the job done. You need some goggles. You go out, maybe play once a month if you're new to paintball, and then hopefully start going to your local shops just to buy the real stuff, you know, and get some real experience and, you know, watch some videos online and learn stuff. But this is basically what people buy, man. This is what they get at Walmart. This is what they buy. You saw me shooting it. Let me do some more. So pump action. Whoa! Did you just see that? It shot, I think, 3 balls at the same time. Whoa. 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 That is not good. 3 balls at the same time. Crazy. 20 bucks. You need a paintball. You just got some allowance money. You go into Walmart. You want to get into paintball. You spend 20 bucks on a Brass Eagle Raptor. Comes with a little bit of paint. Comes with a hopper. and 2 CO2 tanks, little cylinders, and then you buy some more paint. You know, 500 balls for $10. That's already $30 you spent, and you get some goggles. That I think the cheapest goggles at Walmart are the Raptors by JT, and they're $20. So you spend $50, and you're paintballing. And then hopefully, you know, you start doing some more paintballing, and you start going to the local shops and doing research online and going to the forums and start learning more about paintball, and then move away from the Walmarts and the Dicks. But this is what you get, man. Brass Eagle Raptor from Walmart, $20. Peace.